Hey guys, I'm in my car. Vroom vroom. Today we're finally making another video with my mom, but this time she's gonna be driving the TT automatic paddle shifters, but I'm only gonna let her drive in the manual mode so she can feel what that's like. We'll get her opinions on like the DSG and then the all-wheel drive, because driving this car is a lot different than the GTI because it actually will put the power down. So what's done to this car so far, big turbo, intake manifold, meth, intake obviously, it's tuned, it has injectors, the low pressure fuel pump's upgraded, high pressure has the auto tech upgrade in there. I have a nice fat Mavotech intercooler, can't really show you, but it's the one in the stock. You can kind of see a little piece of metal in there, that's that. Yeah, but like most of these parts can be found on my website, and I also got the Mavotech brakes on there, and then Mavotech downpipe, which will be available soon. So yeah, link in the description for most of these parts. I'll get back to you when my mom gets in the car.
The little birdie up there with a twig in its mouth. Oh,
yeah,
there's no stick.
Yeah, it's in park.
It's in park?
Mm-hmm. And this one has, you have to turn the key.
What year is this?
2009. What? That? The boost gauge? My other? The GTI had that too. Ethanol gauge. Do you know how to... Wait, is the seat like in a good position for you? Mm-hmm. Same as me. Do you know how to use the paddle shifters?
No.
The right side is upshift and the left is downshift. Well, you don't really even have to downshift, it'll downshift for you. Like, I just like to control the upshifts, really.
So the right is going up? Right side?
Yeah. But like, don't get on it yet because it's been sitting so long, so it's like calm down.
I don't get on
Not yet. Yeah, you don't have to let off. You don't have to let off the gas or anything.
Well, I didn't.
Just,
so it won't even. Oh, I thought when it was like that, it'll shift.
Yeah, you go a little faster if there's somebody.
But I thought when it's like that, it shifts. Oh, because you have it in manual?
Yeah.
But if you didn't have it in manual, it would do
Yeah, it would shift by yourself.
Oh,
but
I didn't know you were doing that.
Yeah, I want you to drive like that.
Yeah, that's weird. I didn't take my foot off.
I think it drives so much better.
So do I need a downshift?
Nah.
Well,
I think downshifting would be good if you're like going around corners and stuff,
but I mean, when I stopped, it'll
downshift by itself.
It won't stall?
No. It will let itself stall.
So I don't have to take my foot off, right?
No. See how fast it shifts?
That's weird. Is that how you drive it all the time?
Yeah, I always drive it manual. It like wants to shift way too fast when it's in just the regular. Like it's a race to 6th gear. That's what everyone says.
Oh, is your heat seat on?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was cold.
My back was sore.
Yeah.
it at like 65 if you floor it, okay? Like right before
When that thing
7,000.
says 65?
Yeah, this one, the gauge.
Oh shit!
You shifted it a whole
Did I
bunch.
do it? Not good.
Okay, okay.
Oh my god! Did I do it good?
You shifted it in like
Too fast?
yeah, you need to rev it out.
I don't
on to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. This is the last one I'm doing. Too scary.